Which 12V heater should you actually trust for your camper van? Simple question, but the options can be overwhelming. Let's break it down and find the best one for your next road trip. Product number 1, HEIFI PTC Car Air Heater. First up, we have the HEIFI PTC Car Air Heater priced at $22.95. This compact little heater caught my eye with its 100W output and portable design. If you're looking for a reliable heater that's easy to carry around, this one is worth a serious look. It's designed for various applications, including as a humidifier or for 3D printing, super handy. With a solid rating of 4.1 stars from 114 reviews, users appreciate its fast heating and low noise. I mean, who wants a noisy heater disrupting their cozy vibe? Now, some folks mention that it struggles in larger spaces. Here's the thing though, it's really meant for smaller areas, so if you're using it in a compact camper, it should work just fine. Just don't expect it to heat up a big RV. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, portable heater for small spaces. Skip this one if you want something that can heat up a bigger area. For the price, it's a solid option. Now, if the limited heating space is a concern for you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KINOWJI Portable Car Heater. Next on the list is the KINOWJI Portable Car Heater for $19.99. What I love about this one is its dual functionality as both a heater and a defroster. If you want something that clears your windshield while keeping you warm, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers concentrated heat to melt frost quickly, which means you can say goodbye to scraping your windshield on chilly mornings. The 360 degrees rotation ensures you can direct the heat exactly where you need it, no more fighting with fogged up windows. Plus, it has a built-in fuse for safety, which is a huge plus. With a 3.8-star rating from 47 reviews, it's a favorite among users for its efficiency. However, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy. I'll be real with you, if you're sensitive to sound, this could be annoying, but if you're looking for fast results, the noise might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile heater that can also defrost your windshield. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-quiet. For its price and functionality, it's a no-brainer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need serious heating power. Product number 3, CYDZSW 12V 800W Car Heater. Now we have the CYDZSW 12V 800W Car Heater priced at $32.99. This one really stands out with its 800W heating power. If you want a heater that packs a punch, this might just be what you're looking for. The ceramic heating unit ensures it operates safely without any flames, which is a big relief. It has a decent rating of 3.4 stars from 120 reviews, and users appreciate its effective heating and ease of installation. However, some reviews pointed out that the installation instructions could be clearer. Honestly, that can be frustrating for those who aren't as handy. But if you watch a video or have a little patience, you should manage just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful heater for quick defrosting. Skip this one if you're looking for an easy plug-and-go solution. Considering its power, it's a fair deal. Now, if you're after something a bit more advanced with features, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, Triclix Diesel Air Heater. Next, let's talk about the Triclix Diesel Air Heater, which comes in at $97.99. This one is a real contender for larger spaces, making it ideal for campervans or even boats. If you want something that can keep a bigger area warm, this is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This heater can deliver heat efficiently with low emissions and fuel consumption, which is great for both your wallet and the environment. Plus, it comes with a remote control and an LCD switch, letting you adjust settings without leaving your cozy spot. With a rating of 3.9 stars from 22 reviews, users love the convenience it offers. However, it is on the pricier side compared to others. Some users found it a bit complicated to install, but if you're willing to put in the effort, the results can be really rewarding. This is perfect for you if you have a larger camper or need a heater for multiple uses. Skip this if you want something simple and inexpensive. It's definitely an investment, but worth it for the features. Now, if you're looking for something that's easy to set up and doesn't require diesel, the final product might be just what you need. Product number 5, CYD ZSW Car Battery Powered Heater. Finally, we have the CYD ZSW Car Battery Powered Heater priced at $36.99. This one is a solid option for anyone looking for a straightforward and effective solution. If you want something easy to install, this could be your best choice. It's made of durable materials, so it's built to last, which is great for those long road trips. Users have given it a rating of 3.3 stars from 57 reviews, and many appreciate its compact size and efficiency. However, some users reported that it doesn't heat as quickly as some of the more powerful options. I get it, waiting for warmth is frustrating. But for smaller spaces, it's still pretty effective, and its low energy consumption means you can run it without draining your battery too fast. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable heater for short trips. Skip this if you need something that heats up super fast. It's a good value for the features it offers. So to wrap it up, we have the HEIFI PTC for portability, KINOWJI for dual functionality, CYD ZSW 800W for power, Triclix for advanced features, and CYD ZSW battery powered for simplicity. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Choose wisely and stay warm out there.